Hello, and welcome to the Sprint Retrospective Meeting Minutes. This is for release 5.0, Sprint 1. Today's date is May 25th, 2018. The start time was 1:40 p.m. and it ended at 2:30 p.m. The attendees are as follow: Rafael Fernandez, myself, Carlos J. Loras, Felipe Zuniga, Rafael Leal, and Ledian Nunez. On our first questions we faced on the retrospective, it asks what went wrong. So um, what we saw is, did we do a good job estimating our team's velocity? Since it was our first sprint, that doesn't really apply because we were setting up the environment and creating the backlog and all the user stories for future sprints. On the second question we face is, did we do a good job estimating the point time required for each user story? The same as the first question, it doesn't really apply for the sprint because we were setting up the development environment and creating user stories. Did each team member work as scheduled? We all agree that we all followed the schedule and we completed our task as needed without any problems. So now we go ahead to what went right. For myself, what went right is we had a good communication and team meetings and follow through with the schedule. With Felipe, he also agreed with good communication and everyone is motivated and committed to putting in the required amount of time. Ledian put great teamwork, excellent communication. Every team member participated on the activity, provided a quality work. Rafael, good research and communication, commitment to team and schedule. And Rafael Leal McCormack, good communication with team. Everyone was willing to put in work and split up work. The next question we face is how to address the issue in the next sprint. We all came to a pretty much a consensus that we should all uh, be good at adequately managing our time and making more accurate user stories in which it will better impact future sprints and give us better results. The next question that we face is how to improve the product. For myself, I felt that we should continue research and making features that help the user and also work on user stories on a constant basis. For Felipe, he said work consistently on user stories for perform research and improve user experience, while also research different implementations of our product and make sure everyone in the team understands the mortgage calculator process. Ledian says continue research on competitor websites, accomplish the goals stated on the user stories, working as a team. And Rafael continued to research how our competition implements similar features, possibly gather loan rates from lenders. Rafael Leal McCormack says, for now, continue working on the user stories we have, and if anything comes up, we add the backlog for the future work. And this is a quick summary of how our Sprint Retrospective 1 for Sprint 1 went. Thank you for listening.